So we was here 2 weeks ago and found this beautiful beach, but everything is full with trash. So we were thinking to organize a nice beach cleanup, and today is the day. So the universe helped us with good weather, nice sun, and yeah. So we are 11 cars, 2 big trucks, and we have 2.5 kilometers beach in this direction, 2.5 kilometers in this direction. And yeah, so we will pick up a lot of trash today.
Morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Are you ready? Yes, we're ready.
They already started.
Yeah, they already started.
Morning.
How do we feel?
Really good. The weather is perfect and the universe helps us. After rain and storm we can collect all, everything.
So yeah, we 2 weeks before that was here, we found this big turtle, and we was so sad and was thinking maybe it was dying about the plastic in the ocean. And so yeah, this is the way why we like to clean up everything to help also the animals in the sea.
So we set a goal for ourselves, just for fun. The aim is to get 150 trash bags full with all these people. So curious to see if it will happen.
10 o'clock in the morning, collecting trash.
Woo!
In the fucking winter. Can we do it in summer? I don't like mornings. Don't put it into your film.
Hello.
Hello.
Morning. Hey.
You coming to help?
Yes.
Yes.
We come and help.
Awesome. Welcome.
It's mine, yeah.
Hello, my friend. I'm very happy to participate to this action.
just got informed by our Greek contacts that they invited the TV.
Now we are in a Greece TV show.
Whoops!
My name is Ralph. I'm a member of One Earth, One Ocean, and I'm an activist in this area as volunteer.
I'm Tina, also a member of One Earth, One Ocean. I was really proud to be a member of this group today, and it was big fun. It's on the side. It's very sad to see all the plastic, but then after we did this beach cleanup, it makes me so happy, and yeah, I feel a little bit more better.
Yeah, One Earth, One Ocean was founded by Günther Bonin. He created this organization and building ships to clean the seas and the rivers, where they measure since 10 years around the world on the special tracks the pollution of the sea, so we can follow what is going on in the sea, and that's a very good thing. And today I think we brought the world a little bit in the right direction, and we cleaned up the beach here from all the plastic, and it was really necessary. It is important because if plastic goes back into the sea, the sun comes and destroys the plastics, the bottles, and all these big parts become to little pieces, to micro parts pollution. The fish is going to eat that, and so we are going to eat the fish, so it's going back in our food cycle. It's not good if also fishes and animals, also birds on the beach are going to die. Sea is very important for us. It brings us 60 to 7% of oxygen. It's not only from the forest, the most of them comes from the sea. And if the sea dies,
then the humans will also die. We really need the clean oceans and clean environment, and everybody can help.
Beep, 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 beep.